welcome to Bob's House of English cooking class. Today we're going to make brownies. Very nice. Okay, so before we go to the ingredients, I would like to invite all of you to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and our YouTube channel. Vou falar em português para todo mundo entender aqui, bacaninha. Então vamos nos seguir no Instagram, no Face e no nosso canal do YouTube, beleza? Lá no YouTube tu pode dar um like no vídeo e se inscrever, beleza? Aí toda vez que a gente colocar um vídeo vocês vão poder assistir na hora, beleza? Então, let's go! So, to start, whenever we make something like brownies, cake, or pancakes, whatever, we need flour. In this case, we're going to use 1 cup and a third of all-purpose flour, okay? And right here, we're going to use 1 cup and a fourth of sugar. We need cocoa, so we're going to use 2/3 of a cup. All right. Chocolate. White chocolate, so we have that contrast, very nice contrast. 4 eggs, okay? And here we have vanilla. All right, so we're going to use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Here we have baking powder, 1 teaspoon, and we're going to use a half teaspoon of salt, okay? All right, so first off, oh, and let's not forget, very important, butter. Here I have practically a half cup of butter. We're going to melt this so we can mix it, alright? So let's start. First, you're going to want to get the dry ingredients and put them together. Alright, so let's get the flour. Let's put it in, pour it into the... Okay. Now I'm going to add the cocoa. Nice. Alright, we're going to put the salt, and now let's make some nice reference here. Can you? Yay! Okay. Baking powder. Boom! Let's mix it. Okay, so since we only have dry goods in here, you have to take care, otherwise it's going to fly everywhere, and you don't want to do that. Alright, so just mix it, stir it up very well until it's nice and uniform. One color.
Okay, how about the sugar?
Oh, so the sugar, we're going to mix it with the eggs. They are apart. Alright? So if you do this exactly as I'm saying, it's going to work out just fine. Alright, so here we're almost done. It's pretty good, pretty good. Dang, I want to eat it. Alright, but that's not a good idea, okay? Don't try it. Okay, now we leave this right here. And now I'm going to crack the eggs. Why am I using this cup? Because every time you open an egg, it's a surprise. You don't know if it's good or if it's going to be rotten. So let's check. It's good. Next. Good.
Portugal eggs, they are different. They're kinda...
They're rednecks. All due respect. We love you.
Really red.
Last one. Hope this one's not rotten. Good. Yep, it's good. Right in there. Okay, good. This is the fun part. since it's nice and almost foamy, we're going to add sugar. Not all of it, okay?
Slowly. Nice and slow.
Okay, let's get it here. Put that sugar. As Maroon 5 says, sugar, yes please. Alright.
Sugar, sugar, ta-na-na-na-na. Come on, honey, honey, ta-na-na-na-na. You are my candy girl.
A little reference to the 80s. Okay, so got this. Nice. Alright. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to put the vanilla extract, okay, right here. Mix it. It's gonna change color just a bit. And remember the butter? So we are going to melt the butter and pour it in. Okay, so let's get that butter. It's right here. Just pour it. Okay, so you might want to take care with your butter or margarine, whatever, as you melt it. So you don't miss the spot. Otherwise it's gonna be too wet. Okay, mix it once again. Too liquid. That's not good. Okay. So now we're going to take the dry goods, alright, and we're going to put it in and stir it all together. Okay, so let's go. So you might want to go slowly with it so you can blend it well. Good, let's go. Or if you don't have patience, such as I, you just put it in. And then you deal with it. Okay. Okay, so we got that chocolatey aspect. Sheesh. Who wants to wait for it to bake? Oh gosh. Something that I've been talking to some American friends lately is that once we have the mix all done and we pour it into the container or the baking pan, you just want to lick whatever stays in the bowl because it's so good. Some people say it's not good because, well, it has eggs, but frick, it's so delicious. Dang it. Okay, so you might start to see some bubbles popping. And that kind of gives you the idea that it's good, it's ready. Okay, so what we're going to want to do now is get the chocolate. And we're going to put it in. Now, here we've got some broken pieces already. If you'd like, you can break it once again. I'm not going to be able to do that, I'm guessing. Oh, I got some. Yep. So it won't be that chunky in the brownie, you know? So you're just gonna mix it in, okay? Okay, I broke or chopped some of the chocolate. I'm gonna mix it in, alright, until you can't see any of it, alright? Okay, while I'm doing this, very important, you're going to want to turn your oven on at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or for those that use Celsius, you turn it on at 180 Celsius, okay? So that's just a preheat. Okay, can't see any of the white, can you? I can. Alright, so now we're going to put it into our pan. Alright, so let's switch. Oof. Okay, that's nice. Let me lick it. I can't lick it afterwards. Okay, so let's just get it to this side and pour it.
The color, look the brightness. Shine, so shine.
Great. Oof. Be honest with me. Y'all want to lick it? I want to. Okay, almost done here. So, let's put it in. Alright. Okay, so it's going to stay in here for 25 minutes. Okay? You can leave it at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Alright, for those 25 minutes. But pay attention. Okay? So it won't burn. Okay, so it's done. Nice and baked. Okay guys, so you're gonna let it cool down for 2 hours or so. Do not put it in the refrigerator, please. It's gonna be soggy. Alright, so we already cooled ours. It's here, nice and ready. So, just so you can take a look, I'm gonna cut it here. Oh, that's nice. If you look underneath, we got the chocolate showing here. Alright? Perfect. Ok. E aí, pessoal? Como é que foi entender toda essa parte da receita de fazer o brownie em inglês? Foi fácil? Foi mais ou menos? Ou foi difícil? Se foi mais ou menos ou difícil, eu convido vocês a olharem na descrição abaixo que tem o nosso site. E aí vocês vão poder entrar no site e ver todas as opções de curso que nós temos para vocês. Beleza? Tem vários tipos e isso tudo de uma forma muito especial para cada um. Beleza? Então assim, agora eu tenho um challenge, um desafio para vocês. Eu quero que vocês peguem essa receita que eu mostrei para vocês, tá? E vocês pratiquem, vocês façam aí em casa, tá? Mas não só isso. Depois de fazer, tirem uma foto do resultado final e postem no Face, no Insta, para todos nós podermos ver, beleza? É isso aí.